Hello viewers, on this channel we have been discussing Microsoft claim that Windows is turning into an agentic operating system. I have already shared a couple of videos about this, and recently Microsoft explained how this transformation will actually happen. I have linked that video below and in the end screen if you want more details. With this week's last dev and beta insider preview build 26.220.762, Microsoft has started showing how this feature will work in real life and how it may be added to your PC. The newer Windows 11 preview build now includes a new option called experimental agentic features. The description says that when this is on, agentic can use Windows agentic features. New agentic abilities. According to the Microsoft, these abilities allow AI agents to run directly on your computer. Microsoft says this toggle will let agents use upcoming Windows agentic tools. These features are expected to roll out in the future. Microsoft explained that the goal is to help users automate daily tasks like organizing files, scheduling meetings, or sending emails, so users spend less time on repetitive work and more time on what really matters. They also mentioned that modern apps using AI can now interact with your apps and files by using advanced reasoning, vision, and simulated human action such as clicking, typing, and scrolling, almost like a real person. That can sound a bit strange depending on how you feel about it. A simple explanation of agentic is that in some situations the AI can take action on its own without you having to control it directly. This new toggle is just the early step of how Microsoft plans to bring this into Windows. For now, it's only available in the dev and beta channels. If more information comes out, I will keep you updated. Tell me your thoughts below when the feature reaches the stable version. Would you enable it? If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.